नमस्ते। आज हम हमारे फर्स्ट चैप्टर कांडों में राग बनाते हैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ। पिछली क्लास में हम कांडों में राग बनाते हैं चैप्टर को पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन कुछ छात्र एब्सेंट होते हैं, तो आज मैंने दोबारा करती हूँ। Dear students, we can revise first chapter once more. कांडों में राग बनाते हैं. I hope you all read this chapter very well. And once again, I'm reading for the absentee students. Okay, let's start. सच है विपत्ति जब आती है, कायर को ही दहलाती है. सूरमा नहीं विचलित होते, क्षण एक नहीं धीरज होते. विघ्नों को गले लगाते हैं, कांडों में राह बनाते हैं. So here you can see the picture of a brave student or brave child. Clear? You can see a picture of a brave child, and also in the box or in the circle you can see some soldiers picture and also our flag, national flag of India. So from here itself we can understand the chapter is about the brave people or about our soldiers, those who are fighting for our country. Okay? So what's the meaning? What's the meaning of these lines? So you can see the meanings in the next page. That is Shabda page. You can see some words meanings. And here I am saying to you the all together meaning of this line. Okay. So सच है विपत्ति जब आती है. So when or if we face or if we are facing some problems or vipatti, some disaster, what will happen? If the people is कायर, you see next line, कायर को ही दहलाती है. If the person is कायर or brave or coward, what will happen? The result will be different. If the person will be coward or कायर, what happen? The person will be more terrified if he face a problem or a disaster. Clear? The next line, सूरमा नहीं विचलित होते, क्षण एक नहीं धीरज होते. But if it is the person will be brave one, or the person or we facing a problem and we are brave, so you imagine what will happen. We cannot mind them. We cannot mind the problems. Okay, so we can overcome the problems by using our bravery. Clear? Then है कौन विघ्न ऐसा जग में, टिक सके आदमी के मग में. घम टोंग टेरता है जब न, पर्वत के जाते पाँव उखड़. मानव जब जोर लगाता है, पत्थर पानी बन जाता है. Here the poet Dinakarji saying to us what we want to change, because some of us have the feeling of fear. So we want to avoid our fear and we want to be a brave person. Okay, then only we can face all the problems. Here the poet saying what? The poet saying if anything come in front of us for interrupting. So if we are going a market or a hospital or a school, like that, when we are going forward, someone interrupting us. So what we want to do? We want to feel or we want to look them by fear? No. We want to overcome them by using our brain. Okay, so here the poet saying like that. If anyone, that is gum talk delna, what's the meaning? Somebody challenging. So if somebody challenging us, what will happen? We will afraid. Naturally that we will afraid. So those who are a brave and wise person, what he will do? He will try to overcome that challenge. Okay, by thinking and by doing positively. So that is the poet saying to us. Then गुण बड़े एक से एक प्रकार है छिपे मानवों के भीतर. मेहंदी में जैसे रानी हो, वर्तिका बीच उजियारी हो, बत्ती जो नहीं जलाता है, रोशनी नहीं मंगाता है. So here the poet inspiring us by saying what we can see, or we all see what mehendi, the leaf of mehendi. What's the color of that mehendi leaf? Really the color of the mehendi leaf is green. But when we are using as the mehendi powder, what will be the color? The color is red. So the color of mehendi, that red color is inside this leaf, but we cannot see that appearly. And one more example he is saying that when we are you see light or candles, how we are getting this light in night? When we are on the switch or when we are burning the lamp, then only we will get the light. Those who are not switch on the light and those who are not lighting the candle, what will happen? Yeah, we cannot get light. So we will stay in the darkness. So what the poet is saying that such persons are for the example of kaya people. What is the meaning? They are coward person, those who are not owning the switch. Okay. But the brave people suddenly on the switch and they know they need light now. By owning the switch or by lighting the candle only we will get light. Clear? So the poet trying to change our mentality, that is coward mentality to brave mentality. Okay? Negative, from negative to positive. That we study from this poem. What is the moral of this poem? Brave men make impossible tasks possible by their bravery and patience. The poet saying that if it is a stone, the brave people, what they do? They took the stone and they powder the stone and then find water under the stone. Okay, so it is a easy way to them. But a coward man, according to a coward man, it is not a easy work to do. That's the moral of the chapter. So this only I revise for you, and you see meanings all here. And next I write here Samanartha Shabd. Next page you can see Samanartha Shabd. You want to write in your textbook page number 11. Okay, page number 11 you want to fill. You see 4 words are there: Manav, Pani, Vigna, Vibhati. Clear? And in the box here in textbook you can see the answer. Okay, so first you circle the answer and write here. Okay, today itself you complete this. Okay, so I will read for you the words. Manav. What is Manav? Na, Manushi. Then Pani, Jal, Sayin. Then Vigna, Rukavat, Bada. Vibhati, Sangat, Musibat. Clear? So this is the first poem, and today you want to write chapter you already wrote, and today you want to write the meanings and this samana. Okay, and the question answer I will send through WhatsApp group. Clear? I think it is clear. Okay, let us stop today's class. Dhanyavad.